How do I accept a pending payment on Cash App?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how you can accept a pending payment on Cash App. Cash App is a peer-to-peer money transfer system that many of us use for personal or business transactions. Sometimes you might have pending payments that need your acceptance. We'll guide you through the simple steps to accept a pending payment on the platform. Let's get started.
Why do I have a pending payment on Cash App?
Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand why a payment might be pending on Cash App. This typically happens when someone sends you money for the first time. Cash App requires you to manually accept the payment to ensure you're aware of new contacts. Don't worry, this only has to be done for the first transaction from that particular sender.
How to locate pending payments?
To locate a pending payment, you'll need to 1. Open your Cash App on your mobile device. 2. Look at the Activity tab, which is represented by the clock icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Under the Activity tab, you'll be able to view all your transactions, including pending ones.
How do I accept a pending payment?
Once you've located your pending payment, here's what you need to do. 1. Tap on the pending payment. 2. Then, an Accept button should appear, usually underneath the payment details. 3. Simply tap the Accept button. A pop-up message will ask you to confirm. Tap Accept again. 4. You should now have the payment in your account. Going forward, any payments from this sender will not require acceptance and will automatically be added to your Cash App balance. And there you have it. That's how you accept a pending payment on Cash App. Remember, the need to accept payments only occurs with the first payment from a new sender. Subsequent payments from the same sender will be added automatically. We hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Cash App. Until next time, take care.